So today I'm going to show you how to use the NSPIRE CAS Algebra solve function. So to start off, you're going to go to menu, hit 3, and then 1, solve, and you will be greeted with a solved notation on your calculator with some parentheses. Those parentheses will contain your function, well actually your equation, my bad, and then a comma followed by your variable name. So I'm just going to throw a simple function in there, just kind of give you an idea of what it'll look like. Equals, I don't know, 0. Solve for x. That's what x equals. And you can do this, with more complicated things, like if I wanted to throw this over some other number. Oops, what did I do? That doesn't go there. We can do all sorts of crazy stuff with it. It's really helpful. It can also, if you have a quadratic equation where it doesn't just equal one number, it can give you like the multiple answers it may equal, all that good stuff. Feel free to play around with it, use it when you need it, make your life easier.